Urdu medium school, a Hindi, a Marathi, an English medium school and a Telugu school. Now right now we are visiting this school and this is Urdu medium school that we see.
Do they teach only in Urdu or other languages as well in this school?
We teach in 8 languages. Pratham teaches in 8 languages, but as part of the school,
Right.
this part is like only for Urdu medium.
But do they teach them Hindi as well or no?
Yes,
They do.
That is the second language. The second language is Hindi.
And third is
The state
English.
language. See, actually, we have three languages.
Per
One is
school.
the language that is the origin of the school.
tongue,
Yeah.
then
We have the
Hindi.
regional language and we have international language. That is English.
I see.
So that's how it goes on. I guess we can make a move and you can see, as this is a part of Read India program.
So why don't you tell us just a little bit before we go into the classroom, what ages and what they're going to be doing?
Okay, now,
Hi,
कौन सा class है वो? 6. Telugu. Okay, this is standard 1 and standard 2. Now, standard 1 basically, standard 1, that is children aging between 6 and 7 years.
Right.
So here, this is a part of Read India program that we have in India, Bombay, which is called Read Mumbai. So as part of that, what we have done is we have collaborated with all the government schools in the city and we have distributed Pratham's teaching learning material. Some material that you saw in the library program, we have distributed that material in the schools also to the children and to the teachers. So they come here, they teach the children based on that material. The material is something that is very simple, that starts from word level, then it goes to word, like letters, word, paragraph and stories. So we'll just get an access when we see that, we'll get an access where they stand today. There'll be children who will read out to us, there'll be, you guys will be having questions, you all can ask children. And one of the major objective of Read India is parent participation. And that is one of the reasons why we have actually distributed some material to the parents as well, the literate parents, so that they can take an initiative in teaching their children. And what we have observed is there are parents who are taking initiative in teaching the children of their neighbors as well. Those neighbors who are illiterate, they are taking initiatives for that. So that is something very markable for us, especially in Bombay, that I can talk of.
Great.
So I guess we can just have an access to standard 1 class.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you.